The morning began as so many others had begun since. So Mendoza had gone. Again, I hadn't slept. Opened the front door. And stood on the front porch and watched the daylight slowly wake up the street. It had rained during the night, had listened to every drop, and now the light it up the wet leaves as the trees shook themselves in the morning wind. Another day, I was waiting for the 8 o'clock.
Sorry, Mr. Rogers, nothing today.
Are you sure? Perhaps the letter.
Sorry, Mr. Rogers, nothing today. Maybe it come tomorrow.
I already know about tomorrow.
Sorry, Mr. Rogers, nothing today. You know, it it takes a long time for a letter to go to M Street from Japan.
I went back into the house. Ay, isip pala yun.